Yes. What's up guys, this is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I wanted to take the 6S Typhon out today. I finally got some new ramps. I set them up in a couple different configurations, and I thought what better truck to test them with than the Typhon, because it's the one that I have the most trouble jumping with, mostly because it's a buggy, small tires. So we'll see how much of a difference they make. Should be some fun. And I am on 6S. These Proline tires, they balloon a little bit, so they should help out with the jumping. Nice! First hit, huge improvement. Oh, that's beauty. Waited so long to get ramps that were good. I don't know why. Yes. Okay, so that's my normal configuration. 100% improvement. And we'll come back here. That was cool. That was nice. All right, we're gonna move. I think I'm gonna move the other one down, stack them on top of each other. Awesome. Backflip with the buggy. With buggy tires. Oh, I love these ramps. Oh, that's so excellent. I wonder if I'm already losing battery. It's only a 4,000 milliamp battery. Nope. Just gotta hit it right. Anyway. So I think my ultimate plan for the Typhon is to trugify it, like everybody else. Oh! Awesome. Ramps make a huge difference. I'm happy to have these now. Nice. That's the Typhon 6S on 6S with discountramps.com ramps. Till next time, guys.